Good morning, dear friends and my students. So today I'm going to tell you how to connect more than two PCs using the hub. Right, hub is one kind of networking device, and it is having multiple ports. Right, so that means as soon as the hub networking device came, after that multiple computers can be connected with this device. But the problem was it broadcast the message to each and every device which is connected with it, right? So this was the problem. But yes, this was the multi-port device. So today you would learn how to connect more than two PCs using this hub networking device, right? So now you just check. First of all, you need to open Cisco Packet Tracer. So first of all, you need to install it on your device. As soon as it would be installed, after that you just open it, right? So as in the previous video lecture, I just told you okay, how to take number of PCs into this software. So this is actually the icon, right? This combination of PC, right? As soon as you would click on it, after that number of options would came, right? You just select the generic one, maybe any one kind of PC you just select. Okay, you just drag and drop over here, and you just need multiple PCs, right? So that is why one by one you just take multiple PCs over here like this. So number of PCs are coming here, right? After that, we just need to connect these PCs with hub, right? So this is router, after that this is switch, then this one is hub, right? So you just click on this hub, then choose any one of the hub. So I'm just choosing generic one. So take the hub over here, okay? After that, you could check multiple like this hub is having multiple ports. How you could check? Check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So six ports it is having, right? So done. After that, we need the connection, right? So what I'm doing, I'm just taking the connection with the help of this. Okay, just do take the copper straight through wire. Okay, I'm taking after that you need to click on fast Ethernet. Then just do connect with this hub. But as this hub is having six ports, so that is why you need to choose. Click this PC 0, you need to connect which port, right? Whether port 0, port 1, port 2, port 3, port 4, port 5, right? So for example, I'm just connecting this PC with hub 0, or port number 0, right? With this hub. After that, I'm taking another wire, then fast Ethernet, then I'm connecting this with port number 1. So one by one you need to choose the port, okay? So after that, two ports has been allocated to this PC 0 and PC 1. Now I'm allotting this PC 2 like the port 2, right? So just like that, do connect all the PCs with this hub. Port number 3, then I'm taking one more, for example, this one, and port number 4. Done. So this is the connection which I have been creating. As you could see, the green connection is being shown over here. That means we are going in the correct path. Okay. So as this is the hub, so you just click on it. You could check. So this is actually the on and off button. This is on and off button. If you would click on off, so the device would be off, right? Now, the packet could not be transmitted, right? But as soon as you would click on this button, then this would be on, right? So this is the on off button of this hub, right? Now just close it. Now, if you want to create one network, right, then you need to allocate IP address to all the PCs. So you just do allocate the IP address, click on this PC, then directly come on this desktop menu. Then IP configuration, provide one IP address. So I'm providing class A IP addressing 118.0.0.1. Automatically this subnet mask would be allocated. Then do take the another one, that is PC1, right? After that, click on desktop and IP configuration 118.0.0.2, for example. You could allocate some other IPs as well. It is not mandatory. Like every time you just allocate only class A address. If you have the idea of different number of class full addressing, then you could allocate any other IP address. But like I'm just allocating class A IP addressing so that you could have a better idea. Then 118.0.0.3. Then next one, 118.0.0.4. Then PC number 4, desktop IP configuration 118.0.0.5. Done. Okay. So all the PCs are having the like IP addresses. That means now the network has been formed. Right? Now we need some of the messages so that we could check the simulation, how actually the hub is working, right? So if we want to check the simulation or the actual working of this hub, so we need to allocate some of the messages to this and to these all devices, right? So what I'm doing, I'm just choosing this PDU, right? This is a simple PDU, means a simple message which I'm choosing, right? After that, I'm allocating to this device, that means PC0, and to PC4, right? Point to be noted. I have been allocated this PDU, means a message, to PC0 and PC4. That means that message or the message transmission would be obviously must be done within these two devices via this hub, right? But now what you do, you just check the simulation, right? You just check the simulation, how actually it is working. Click on it. This message has been transferred to hub, right? Now hub is the mediator, but what have you have seen over here? Like hub has been broadcasted all the messages. Like hub has been broadcasted this message to all the devices. This is actually the problem, right? I have been allocated the message, means this was the sender, this was the receiver. That means the transmission would be done only and only within these two devices, right? But hub is having the multi-port device, so like connection could be made. But the problem is hub is not a smart device. It just broadcast all like our message to all the devices. This is actually the problem, right? So as you could see with the help of this, so this is actually the simulation, right? So this is how you could make the connection between two more than two PCs using the hub device, right? So this is the next practical. After that, you would get to know like how actually the like we could make the connection between multiple devices with one smart networking device, because hub is not the smart one. But yes, in the earlier time, once we were not having multiple port networking device, at that time hub has been invented and hub was being used, right? But some of the problems were there, so that is why some new networking devices has been launched, right? So thank you. I hope this is clear to everyone. Thank you so much.